Welcome to this video on how to generate automatic income. In today's fast-paced world, having a steady stream of income can be incredibly beneficial, and even more so if that income can be generated automatically. In this video, we will explore 36 methods that you can use to generate automatic income. Affiliate marketing. Become an affiliate of a product or service and earn a commission for every sale generated through your affiliate link. Create a digital product. Create a digital product such as an ebook, online course, or software and sell it on a platform like Amazon or your own website. Sell physical products. Sell physical products on e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. Online advertising. Use online advertising programs such as Google AdSense or Facebook ads to generate advertising revenue on your website or social media. Lead generation. Build a mailing list and earn money through lead sales or lead generation affiliate programs. Subscription services. Offer paid services through a subscription model, such as access to exclusive content. Online trading. Invest in cryptocurrencies, stocks, or forex through online trading platforms. Create an app. Develop a mobile application and sell access or earn through in-app purchases. Sell services. Offer services such as consulting, coaching, or web design. Content publishing. Create quality content and earn through online advertising, sponsorships, or support from sponsors. Rental properties. Buy rental properties and earn passive income through rent payments. Peer-to-peer lending. Lend money through peer-to-peer lending platforms and earn interest. Dividend stocks. Invest in dividend-paying stocks and earn passive income through regular dividend payments. Create an online course. Create an online course on a topic you are knowledgeable about and sell it on a platform like Udemy or Teachable. Build a membership site. Build a membership site and offer exclusive content or services to members who pay a monthly or yearly fee. Create a software program. Develop a software program and sell it through a platform like ClickBank or your own website. Online surveys. Participate in online surveys and earn cash or gift cards. Rent out your car. Rent out your car through a platform like Turo and earn money while you're not using it. Stock photography. Sell your photos on stock photography sites like Shutterstock or iStock. Create an online store. Build an online store and sell products related to your niche. Dropshipping. Create a dropshipping store and sell products without holding inventory. Print on demand. Create designs for t-shirts, mugs, or other products and sell them through a print-on-demand service like Printful. Create a YouTube channel. Create a YouTube channel and earn money through advertising revenue, sponsorships, or product placements. Affiliate blogging. Start a blog in the niche you are knowledgeable about and earn money through affiliate marketing. Create a podcast. Create a podcast and earn money through sponsorships or advertising revenue. Social media management. Offer social media management services to businesses and earn money through monthly fees. Virtual assistant. Offer virtual assistant services to businesses and earn money through hourly fees. Stock trading. Trade stocks and earn money through buying low and selling high. Sell domain names. Buy and sell domain names for a profit. Translation services. Offer translation services and earn money through hourly fees or per project rates. Create an online marketplace. Build an online marketplace and earn money through transaction fees. Sell ebooks. Write and sell ebooks on platforms like Amazon or your own website. Online advertising agency. Start an online advertising agency and earn money through client fees. Affiliate network. Create an affiliate network and earn money through commission fees. App development. Develop apps for businesses or individuals and earn money through project fees. Ghostwriting. Write books, articles, or blog posts for others and earn. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked the content, please like and subscribe to the channel. Have a good day.